Do you suffer from these nightmares? Project delays? Manufacturing errors? Long turnaround period? Profit losses due to rework? Here is the solution. Design process begins once we receive the shell drawing. We use Autodesk Construction Cloud to share the design. A mobile device or a desktop can be used to observe the project. You can use these navigational tools to observe the model. You can spin it. Use the Properties tool to get information about the particular panel. You can use the first-person tool to check the internal paneling. Put this joystick on this side panel, drag and rotate it so that you can move around. Let us put this joystick into the staircase room. Now, we will climb the stairs. Click on Sheets and Views. Hit 2D to open the list of the sheets in the pan. Let us open sheet B7. Table of the bill of quantities, and the drawing is arranged on a sheet. The number of panels required for the particular slab or wall is displayed on the table. This helps the contractor to erect the panels on the site. Bill of quantities is a major topic. We give you two versions, 1 component-wise and 2 room-wise. Here is the component code. So, you will need to manufacture 40 numbers of B panels of size 125 by 1800 millimeters. This file gives the packing list of room-wise components along with the area of the formwork. In room 1, there are 3D panels of size 750 by 600 millimeters. The area is 1.35 square meters. Similarly, this is the list of the components on the external side of the A1 room. This list is for the internal side of the A1 room. In the next part of the video, we will concentrate on fabrication drawings.